Even after a restful night's sleep, we've all woken up to see dark circles or puffy under-eye bags that make us appear exhausted. There are numerous causes including stress, allergies, dehydration, lack of sleep, and heredity. Today, I'll show you how to conceal them in 7 easy steps. I'm here to show you exactly how to brighten the area beneath your eyes and reduce puffiness instantly. Let's start with step 1, cold therapy. Keep 2 metal spoons in your refrigerator, then place them over your eyes for a few minutes. The cold reduces inflammation and constricts blood vessels. Cucumber slices are naturally hydrating and cooling. They help soothe puffiness while refreshing tired eyes. Step 2 is moisturizing with an eye cream. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and vitamin C. Using your ring finger, gently tap the cream into the skin. Avoid forceful rubbing that might stretch the delicate under-eye area. Step 3 is color correction. For purple or blue dark circles, use orange or peach corrector. For brown pigmentation, use pink or red corrector. Apply the corrector directly to the discolored area and blend gently before applying concealer. Step 4 is choosing the right concealer. Look for a creamy texture that's 1 shade lighter than your foundation with buildable coverage. Blend with your fingertip or a damp beauty sponge to ensure the product melts smoothly into your skin. Step 5 is the inverted triangle method. Instead of just dotting concealer under your eyes, create an upside-down triangle shape. This method effectively hides discoloration, illuminates the mid-face, and creates a seamless transition. Blend softly downward and outward. Step 6 is setting with translucent powder. Use a fluffy brush for light setting, or try baking by applying powder generously and letting it sit for 2-3 minutes. Step 7 is the finishing touches. Apply highlighter to inner corners, curl lashes, and use lengthening mascara to open up your eyes. And there you have it. Bright, refreshed-looking eyes that appear well-rested and youthful. For long-term results, aim for 7-8 hours of sleep, stay hydrated, reduce salt intake, and use SPF daily to prevent UV damage. Try these 7 steps and let me know in the comments which technique worked best for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips.